Look at this iPad screen is cracked, but watch this. I don't know how people live like this. Look at this. It's not even coming off. Oh my god. Look how gross is this. How would you leave your iPad like that? I don't get it. So we're gonna deep clean this iPad and fix the screen and the LCD as well. Let's get it. Time to fix screen and the LCD as well. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Can I get a wow? I believe you already know how old is this person, right? Wow. And let's see the cases. How clean is this now? How clean is this? And the front. And the rubber piece.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's fast.